In this video I'm going to explain to you why premium bonds, UK premium bonds, are absolute garbage. The bottom of the barrel, scraping the bottom, just giving free money to the blooming government. Absolute garbage, and why you should sell all of your premium bonds, as I'm going to do. I've got 32,850 parked in this piece of poop that I'm going to liquidate, and I'm going to explain to you why. It is absolute horrendous rip-off, 4% inflation, and this is why it's garbage. Look at this, 2021, what have I won? £25 in January. Compare this to previous year when I was winning virtually every month. So what happened? What they did in December, they cut the interest rate to 1%. From 1.4% effective as of December 2017. That had a huge effect on the odds of winning, where at 1.4% your odds of winning were 24,500 to 1, but following the rate cut it was 34,500 to 1. So basically it translates into turning premium bonds into absolute garbage. Just one win, 25 quid on nearly £33,000 with most of the year gone. Look at previous year, December, November, October, September, August, June, and so on. And this year, just one. So what am I going to do? I'm going to sell this pile of poop. I'm going to pull my £32,500 out, just pull it out. And what am I going to do? I'll put it into Google shares. Yes, Google is volatile, but let's look at the difference. This year, that is a 50% increase, at least something like a 50% increase. You're not even getting 0.1% on premium bonds. Yes, it's volatile, but if you follow my analysis at the Market Oracle, you'll know that if there's one company to be invested in, it's Google, because I suspect Google is actually being run by an AI. It's not being run. That is not natural. That chart is not natural. This company is being run by an AI. And before you say, oh, it's going to collapse back, well, it all depends on earnings, and it brings in earnings like clockwork. It's like clockwork. That's why it's going up, because earnings go up by clockwork. And here, look, this is what it was before the pandemic crashed and it collapsed. And I was telling everyone, go on, yeah, you'd be crazy not to buy this now, but Nadeem, the pandemic's only just starting. I go, stocks are going to bottom before the end, and these stocks are going to soon trade to new all-time highs. So I was buying between $1,200 and $1,000 Google, and look what it's done. Oh, you had another opportunity in September at 1,400. Again, that was a buying level. People who bought. And now we're off to the races. Another buying level at 900, 2,100 is another buying level, which I'm going to revise. And we're off. This is where my money's going. I'm going to pull the whole £33,000 out and just buy shares in Google. That's it. Because premium bonds are absolute garbage. Why did I do this? I must have been ill or something to go and invest 33 grand in premium crap bonds. So do this now. Sell your premium bonds and put them somewhere else. I'm not saying put them into Google, but that's what I'm going to do. And I don't think I'm going to regret it. Yes, there's volatility, but that's the stock market for you. But I'm putting it in the single best company that exists right now. There's nothing, well, there are some that compare, but I'm not going to get sidetracked. So there you have it. Premium bonds are absolute garbage. You're losing about 5% per annum, because that's the real rate of inflation in the UK. You're just giving the government free money, losing 5%. If you've got 100k, you've lost 5% by the end of this year. You're not going to earn any premium bonds. You're going to make peanuts because they've cut the rates. Well, the premium bonds are like a scam. They are, oh my how did I fall for this scam? I've been scammed. I've been scammed into buying premium bonds. Why did I fall for the premium bond scam? I've just wasted my money, time, and I've lost 5%. That 33,000 is now worth what? About 1,500 less, something like that. 1,700 pounds that I could have doubled. I could have made 50% on Google. Okay, hindsight's wonderful. But premium bonds are garbage, and I am getting out of this pile of 1% pool. Inflation's 5%. They're paying 1%. They're not even getting 1% because the chance of winning 34,500 to 1, and I've got timed out. National savings and investments. Your investment, my investment has timed out with you pieces of poop with your 1% garbage that translates into virtually nothing. Timed out. Time for you to time out your investments with NSNI. Just time out. Forget them. Dump them. Dump them. You're being Bogdanoved. All you investors is Bogdan. I bet Bogdanov's behind NSNI. He's running it, yeah. Would they invested? Drop the interest rate. Yeah, they dumped it. They dumped the interest rate as soon as you invest. What a load of garbage. No, if you got money in premium bonds, there are much better places to put it. Infinitely better. Infinitely. You are guaranteed to lose the value of your savings with national savings, as inflation will erode it at the rate of 5%. Even the idiot in charge of the Bank of England, that stupid moron, even he come out and said, oh, temporarily inflation is going to rise to 5% on the CPI manipulated, cut down version of the real rate. 4%, there's no such thing as temporary interest rates. There's no such thing, because it's a cumulative. If a price rises from 100 to 105 because the inflation rate is 5%, then next year if the inflation rate falls to 2%, it doesn't fall to 102, it goes 105 plus 2% of 105, which is 2 point something, so it becomes 107. There's no such thing as temporary inflation. It's permanent. Price rises are permanent. What a scamming little toe rag the Bank of England governor is. What a scammer. They're all scamming people, so the only thing you can do is to get your money out of the banking crime syndicate. Get it out of national savings, and you're going to have to take some risk because there's no alternative. They are safe stocks, they are less safe, they are some commodity. There's the range of assets with variable risk, but what they offer is the possibility of growth. These little scammers here at NSNI, you got no chance of making money with them. None. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm selling all my premium bond, my 33,000, was it 32, I forgot, was it 32,850, and I'm going to bung it all into Google. Yeah, where is it? I'm just going to bung it in and forget about it. We'll see what it's like in 3 years' time. How much I made. Will I have doubled, tripled, 50%? I don't know. But it'll be a lot better than just leaving it with national savings. That's for sure. Anyway, that's my rant over. Disgusted with national savings. 25 quid on 33 grand in 8 months. You have got to be joking. What a load of scammers. They talk about, oh, the FSA is investigating this scam, that scam, crypto scam. Oh, crypto the scam. You're the scams. You lot, your banking crime syndicate. You're the scams guaranteeing theft of purchasing power of savings. That's my rant over. And a warning to you all your lot who have money invested in premium bonds or considering investing in premium. You're gonna regret it. That's all I'm gonna say. You're gonna regret investing money with national savings because it's a pile of poop. So for immediate and first access to this and all of my analysis and trend forecasts, then do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month. And remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel for new videos as we defend ourselves, protect ourselves from the rampant money printing inflation by the central banks. Insane money printing as though it's not going to feed through into wage and price inflation. Big inflation is coming, as I've been flagging for over 6 months. It's more like a year now. That's why I was saying last year, if you're thinking of buying big ticket items, do it now before the price hikes, which have transpired. You know, I bought a Culture K7 for £340. Current price on Amazon is, was it £565, and similar for lots of other tech items I bought. For instance, the components in my PC that I ordered in January and got delivered in March was £3,100. Current price of the components is over £4,000. Crazy, the inflation is here, and it is accelerating regardless of what the indices say. So protect yourselves by investing in assets that are leveraged to inflation, and AI tech stocks are leveraged to inflation and are about to get discounted. So do subscribe to my YouTube channel for such analysis, and do consider becoming a patron. Crypto mania, forget Dogecoin. Today I'm going to be mining Budgie coin. What you need is a budgie. Just need one budgie to start crypto mining with Budgie coin. Ooh, that's an angry bird. Eh? You're angry today, Mr. Green. So this is how you mine Budgie coin. Get rich, get Dogecoin. Right, we need to grab that bougie. Yeah, it's a bougie coin, not budgie coin. Bougie. Come here, bougie. I need you. Hey, what are you trying to bite me for? We need a bougie. Take my bougie coin. There you go. Got a couple of bougies. Which one's more profitable? Green bougie or the blue bougie? I'm not sure at the moment. I have to check the exchange rate. Definitely the green bougie is more noisy, more aggressive. It's more aggressive to mine with the green bougie. Okay, so let's start mining with the blue bougie, the bougie coin, the blue bougie coin. Once you get one bougie, the others will come.